So here we have passion flowers. This is liquid drops, and you're gonna get, this is 4 ounces, alcohol free. It says shake it before you use, so you're gonna shake it up, put it in a 2 ounce. You can put it in 2 ounce water, that's what I have here, or you can do juice. You do it 3 times a day, or whatever I guess you prefer to use it as. It's recommended on the back here 3 times a day. So if you don't know what typically what they say passion flower is good for, it helps with anxiety and it helps with the GABA's levels in the brain. It's supposed to be good for, and to help relax them as like a stress relief. So you're gonna take it, twist it open. I haven't tried this yet, so we're gonna do a live here taste trial. You're gonna full syringe, so you're gonna fill it all the way up and make sure you shake it first, and then you're gonna squeeze it and drop it into some water or some juice, and it does say 1 full syringe. And then here is what it looks like, and we're gonna give it a taste and see if it's good. Okay, so I actually was a little bit scared to try it. I thought it was going to be very strong and very gross, and it actually doesn't really taste like anything. So that's great. If you can get the benefits that it says it helps with for you, and if you're able to drink this and not have that strong flavor of overbearing, and this is going to help with my stress levels and relaxation, then hey, it's a winner for me. Yeah, it doesn't taste like anything. There is a slight little smell to it, but taste-wise, it doesn't taste like anything. So thanks for the company for sending me this to review.